Okay friends, once again let me show you something which is quite interesting today. I'll show you, and let me log in first. This one I will show you one. This time I don't know, both twins are there. So you go to my network, your matching tree, and then you'll see here we have beautiful. This is also beautiful. Okay, beautiful. This is beautiful Shilla. Okay, so that is another one. Then you go to the right, right down in the, you can press on this basket, and then right down there you can see. Let me press on this. You can see here Andriana the car. This is Andriana. So we have beautiful Shilla and Andriana the car. I'll surprise you now again. So we have beautiful Shilla. Then you go down this side, Chameleon left side. Then again here you'll see beautiful the car is there. So although one is beautiful Shilla, one is beautiful the car. Okay, so let me log out this one. As you can see from there, I forgot the ID. Wait, just now you have seen Andriana the car. So now I'll show you another Andriana. This is another Andriana. We have, you see, this is Andriana Thongniba. So I have one beautiful Shilla, one beautiful the car, one Andriana the car, and one is Andriana Thongniba. Guys, this is quite interesting. So how many twins I'll get more? Okay, so that's all what I wanted to show you. It's quite interesting. So good night. This okay, keep on promoting, guys. I've just registered this Andriana Thangba, sponsored by Andriana Thongniba, sponsored by Madam Alma Mary. Okay, so guys, keep working hard, and I will update you those who are on the first rank of the 2 days challenge.